Salam friends, today our topic is English speech, our national poet Allama Iqbal. Mr. President, respected teachers, honorable guests and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to celebrate 9th November. 9th November is a very important day in the history of Pakistan. A great poet and thinker, Allama Iqbal was born on this day. Mr. President, he was not just a poet but a good thinker also. He wrote poetry just for the sake of Muslims and Islam. His poetry is translated into many languages. Iqbal's poetry focuses on Khudi. Iqbal was a great leader of subcontinent. He died on 21st April 1938 and is buried near Badshai Mosque, Lahore. Thanks.